Hello everyone. My system is called PAC Faculty Tracker. It is a tracker for the checkers of the campus will use to track the specific faculty to know that they're doing their duties. It's, we use Kotlin and to make it have mobile integration for the teachers to use. The teachers will have their smartphone. They will log into to the system, and their accounts will get registered to the admin dashboard. The admin dashboard is only seen in a PC or laptop. That's where the checker will see their registered name, their registered phone number, their and other stuff that we put into the registration page in the mobile. We the map we the admin dashboard has the custom map of the PAC for or for their privacy, and when they can turn off the system to if they want to not track them anymore. And
That's it. That's all na. That's all na.
salamat po nanay kasi dahil sa'yo hindi ako makabay sa system. Mahal sa
Love you.
Mahal sa masyado. Overall, we paid 20,000 for all of us. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Salamat tayo sa kuan sa among advisor atong among system sa tungod nila nahimo among system din